అక్కడనే ఫోటో అది అక్కడనే తీసుకున్నామన్నా చెప్పు మీరు ఏది ఫింగర్ విప్పియండి ఈయన ఇక్కడనే విప్పియాలి సార్ एक बार
इंशाल्लाह सब लोग निकल कर अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और आज देख रहे हैं कि कल से भी खुदा की कुदरत बोलिए कि मौसम भी थोड़ा गर्मी में कमी आई है, तो अब तो आपको निकलकर सबको अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल पूरे तेलंगाना में, हैदराबाद में, आंध्रा में।
So how do you think the elections been going so far, 2024? How different is it than 2019?
Every election cannot be the same as what it was 5 years ago. The challenges are different, the issues are different, and of course this is a very important historical parliamentary election in our country. And the issues are not what they were in 2019. It is completely different issues, completely different objective, and people also have a different understanding and what they want for this country as compared to 2019.
So would you say this is a tough fight for you? 1984 से MIM के पास ये सीट है. Do you think that this will be a tough fight for you? That everything has changed.
देखिए, इलेक्शन जो होता है ना, चाहे किसी से भी मुकाबला हो, उसको सीरियसली आपको लेना पड़ता है. यू हैव टेक एवरी इलेक्शन सीरियसली, वेदर इट्स अ म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन, पंचायत इलेक्शन, जिला परिषद, असेंबली, पार्लियामेंट. Election is election. You know, you don't have this comfort of even blinking. So you'll have to take your every opponent, whether it is X, Y, Z, whatever it is, and then work hard, which we have done and which has always helped us in winning this seat. And hopefully around this time also, I'm sure that with the blessings of people and faith in Almighty Allah, we will be successful and will win with the same.
అక్కడనే ఫోటో అది అక్కడనే తీసుకున్నామన్నా చెప్పు మీరు ఏది ఫింగర్ విప్పియండి ఈయన ఇక్కడనే విప్పియాలి సార్ एक बार